Back you go. Back you go. Naughty. Ah, don't do that. No, you don't. You go back. You know what this is? Go back. You shouldn't be a bully, should you? You go back. You're on my side of the road. Go back. Oscar Victor 69 X-ray Papa Tango. That'll be going to the police and to YouTube. Thank you. You don't go on the wrong side of the road and blat a cyclist out the way. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, mate. I'm not putting up with that. He just thought he's going to push me out the way, you know.
Yeah, because you're a cyclist, but I thought you stand your ground. I'd have backed you up. I was bidding,
thank you.
Not for you, for him.
I assume that.
He would reverse if I keep bidding.
You have a nice day.
Yeah,
thank you, mate. Have a good day. And I don't mind holding for people.